Hello, today I will show you how to make a plot using your Python matplotlib library. So for that, let me start with a Python script that is with some extension .py. So let me write a plotting.py. This is a Python script which I have to write. So for plotting, I need to import uh, matplotlib matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So plt is just a name, you can give it anything else, but we will use plt when we call this matplotlib.pyplot library. And it is also useful the numpy library, so numpy as np. Then let me first just I want to show that how to do a line plot. So for that, just make linear spaced. So this is evenly spaced. This will make 0 to maybe 1 with 100 points, evenly spaced, one dimensional space. So you can just then plot y is equals to maybe x square. So for that, y is equals to x square. Then to plot this, we have to give this command that plt dot plot comma x comma not comma first bracket x comma y, and then just plt dot show. Now to run this script, you have to write python plotting.py and just enter, so that you can see that this is plotting this x is equal y is equals to x square curve. So this is the parabolic curve. So and you can see that this is parabolic easily, but now you can see that we have not specified that which axis is what. So this is the x-axis and this is the y is equals to x square axis. We have not specified that. So for that, we have to go to the file again, and we have to write like this: plt dot x level, and maybe x level is x, and plt dot y level. So for that, this is y is equals to okay, so y just y. Okay, so y is equals to x square, that is what. Okay, so now you can set a font size also. So for both of the axes, I have written like this: this font size is equals to 12, and you can also set some color for the plot. So before this, I have plotted this thing, and you have seen that this is blue, this was blue. So I can set the color by this option, that color options, ULOR. Color is equals to this quoted R means red. So you can see that now this is the red colored plot, and you can see that with the x axis is labeled with x and y axis is labeled with y. So this is how you can just do a simple 1D plot. Okay, so and even you can just change the line style. So for that, you can just write ls for line style. So you can just change the line style. It is by default it is solid, but you can just put it dashed. Okay, so then it will be, the line will be the dashed line. So for that, you can just plot it, and you can see the red dashed line. This is, so you can, this is how you can just change the line style. You can just change your the line width also. So LW is for line width. So maybe I put it line width is equals to 3. So for that, you can see the line width will be thicker. So now you can see that this line is thicker than the previous one. So this is how you can plot your 1D plots. Okay, so in my next videos I will do some more examples of plotting from using this matplotlib library, and subscribe and share. Thank you.